Hello everyone, I am Aditri, a student of class 6 in Baswa International School. I am preparing for Word Pro Olympiad. Today I am going to share some methodologies to learn difficult words. Every day I thoroughly read the Word Pro study meet. First of all, I read the words loudly to listen it properly and clearly, which helps to register the word into the brain. To remember the word, I sometimes break the word into prefix, root, suffix. For example, handkerchief, handkerchief, journalism, etc. For silent letter words, I remember the roots. For example, silent letter P words are psychiatrist, psychology, cupboard, pneumonia, etc. And silent K words are knowledge, need, not, knife, etc. I learned to understand the definition of each word. I used to read 10 spellings and write them every day, which really helped me to differentiate between similar letter words like of EI and I. For example, protein, Protein, whereas ancient, Ancient, etc. Lastly, I practiced the exercise of the word study meet. All the very best to all of you who are participating in the Word Pro Olympiad. Thank you.